The Little Turtle's Triumph Check. Once upon a time, in a vibrant and lush forest, there lived a cheerful little turtle named Tommy. Tommy was known for his kind heart and adventurous spirit. He enjoyed exploring the forest and making friends with all the animals that crossed his path. One sunny morning, as Tommy was strolling near a sparkling river, he noticed a group of distressed animals gathered by the water's edge. Curious, he approached them and discovered that the river was polluted and their home was in danger. The animals were worried about the harmful effects of pollution on their health and the environment. Tommy's heart swelled with determination to help his friends and protect their beloved forest. He knew he had to find a solution. Tommy decided to embark on a quest to seek the wise old owl, Oliver, known for his wisdom and knowledge of the forest. He set off on a journey, navigating through thick bushes and crossing sparkling streams, until he reached the majestic oak tree where Oliver resided. Upon meeting Oliver, Tommy shared the plight of his friends and the polluted river. The wise old owl listened attentively and imparted his knowledge about the importance of preserving nature's balance and the significance of clean water for all living beings. Oliver suggested that Tommy gather a team of animals from different species to address the problem collectively. Tommy agreed and, with Oliver's guidance, set out to assemble a group of determined and capable animals. First, they approached Sammy the squirrel, known for his agility and resourcefulness. Sammy readily joined the cause, eager to use his nimble skills for a good cause. Next, they sought the assistance of Bella the beaver, renowned for her engineering prowess. Bella's expertise in building dams and controlling water flow proved invaluable. The team expanded as more animals joined, including Leo the lion, renowned for his courage, and Maya the hummingbird, known for her swift flight and ability to spread messages far and wide. Together, they formed a diverse group united by their shared goal of restoring the purity of the river. The animals worked tirelessly, clearing debris, purifying the water, and raising awareness among other forest dwellers about the importance of preserving the environment. They organized cleanup drives, planted trees, and educated everyone about the harmful effects of pollution. Their efforts gradually paid off. The once polluted river started to regain its clarity, and the animals rejoiced. They celebrated their success, knowing that their collective action had made a significant impact. Word of their accomplishments spread throughout the forest, inspiring other animals to join the cause. Together, they formed a strong community dedicated to protecting their home and ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come. Tommy, now hailed as a hero, felt a sense of pride and fulfillment. He had learned that small actions, when taken together, could create a big difference. He realized that every creature, no matter how small, had a role to play in preserving the beauty and harmony of the natural world. From that day forward, Tommy and his friends continued to work tirelessly, protecting their forest and spreading the message of environmental conservation to all who would listen. Their story became a legend, reminding everyone that it is the responsibility of each individual to protect and nurture the world we call home. And so the animals of the forest lived in harmony, their hearts filled with gratitude and their spirits united in their shared mission to protect and cherish nature's wonders.